Welcome to IMQ IVFC Math Quiz. There will be 25 items to test your skills on the subject matter. Don't forget to answer on the comment section below. In your answer sheet, take note of the video ID. Here are the questions. Number 1. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 2. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 3. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 4. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 5. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 6. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 7. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 8. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 9. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 10. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 11. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 12. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 13. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 14. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 15. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 16. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 17. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 18. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 19. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 20. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 21. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 22. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 23. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 24. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Number 25. Find the fraction of the whole circle. Congratulations! Please don't forget to share this video to other Filipino children. This is free and this is my advocacy.